Imagine if I never messed up. Imagine if we never even broke up. Imagine if I had the power to control the voices in my head and I could tell them all to shut the fuck up. Imagine if I never told a lie. Imagine if I knew how to always get it right. Imagine if I wasn't such a coward and I had the courage hidden somewhere in my heart to look you in the eye. If I could go back just for a night, I would see the future and I'd make it alright. Oh darling, if life was a movie, I'd hit rewind. Imagine if I knew how to turn back time. I was thinking like ayo, ayo, ayo-okay. Lost our love in the mess we made. Ayo, ayo, ayo-okay. If tomorrow was yesterday. I wonder if I saw your face again, would you be a stranger or would we be more than friends? Would this be the beginning or the long and winding road that takes us all the way around into the very bitter end? Imagine if we never felt fear. Imagine we were brave enough to never hide the tears. Imagine if I didn't have to worry about everything around me and my sanity was actually here. I just got so caught up in the moment.